How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your microphone to the JBL Boombox 4. Now, to make things a lot easier, we could go ahead and grab ourselves the wireless microphone from JBL. And then from there, it just makes things a lot easier. But of course, you could grab yourself third-party wires in order to connect it onto your JBL. So basically, first things first, you want to go ahead and pop the cover on the back of the boombox right here, and there's going to be this aux cable. Now you just want to go ahead and plug the mic receiver, which is going to be this one. Press on the power icon that turns on the receiver itself, and just do the same thing for both of your microphones. Turn it on and it will automatically be connected to the receiver that's plugged onto the speaker that we have right here, basically connecting it to the speaker that easily. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.